Hello, friends. Welcome once again. Now, this book, Seven Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey, I've made a mention about it some time back, also in one of the videos. And I told you in this chapter number 2, which says, begin with the end in mind. Now, this is very important that किसी भी यात्रा को शुरू करने से पहले अगर क्लैरिटी के साथ अंत पता है then it becomes easy for us to program और approach कि किस रास्ते उसको जाना है और अप्रोच करना है. अगर एंड नहीं पता तो हम एफर्ट लगाएंगे लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो स्केलर एफर्ट हो जाएगा एंड वी मे नॉट नो वेयर आर वी हेडिंग फॉर. So begin with the end in mind. Now, in the same way, if you have to take an example, suppose if this is a mountaineer, now this person has to climb up the mountain, the top where the flag is there. Now he must exactly know which peak he is climbing and what is the likely route that he is going to take, because if he is not clear then वो effort तो बहुत कुछ लगाएगा लेकिन उसका effort will not lead him to that point where he wants to go. So he must exactly know which way he is going to go and he should know what are the intermediate stops. अगर वो इन points को cross नहीं करेगा तो naturally वो यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचेगा. Similarly, if I have to give an example, for example, just say this movie was there, Lagan, where Bhuvan says Sharat Manjoor hai. Now, when he said Sharat Manjoor hai, he was not a experienced person. उसको कोई क्रिकेट खेलने का पहले एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था. But the very fact that he Shart Manjoor, he also know that between him and his goal of winning against the Goro Angroju ki team, it's not going to be easy, and he had a lot of obstacles to cross. And not only he said Sharat Manjoor, he actually acted on that and gradually overcame each and every obstacle. There were many of them, in fact. I'll not get into the details. So whatever efforts he did after he fixed his goal, they were all directed to achieve this goal. And wherever there were obstacles coming, he faced it head on because he probably knew his own strength and weaknesses. And the whole movie was the process to achieve the goal, जो कि हम SSB का साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट में बोलते हैं what is currently happening. So what is currently happening is the problem solving step, जहाँ पे Bhuvan had overcome numerous challenges that came in between. In fact, till the end he was struggling and finally he won. So that was a very, very clear movie. Sharat Manjoor hai, that is Lagan movie. If you have to take another movie, this is Chak De India, where Kabir Khan was called Gaddar because of some incident. And he was not a Gaddar. He knew he was not a Gaddar, but he has to prove that. And to do that, he took Team India. And in the process of taking Team India and subsequent training, the final outcome was that usko apna Gaddar नाम को रिमूव कराना है. बट द पाथ और द प्रोसेस ही चूज टू डू दैट वाज टीम इंडिया. सो उसने क्या किया, टीम इंडिया के ऊपर ही इन्वेस्टेड द एंटायर एनर्जी एंड इन द प्रोसेस ही मेट वेरियस चैलेंजेस and each of these challenges he came up in. At some stage he actually even gave up. That was that बर्गर वाला जो सीन था जहाँ पे लड़कियों को छेड़ा मार पिटाई वाला ना, whatever, Domino Pizza or whatever it was that. So that was because of that Bindya Nayak character who was extremely egoistic and self-centered. उसने पूरे टीम को ही तोड़ दिया था. So if you remember that movie. So now the difference between Kabir Khan and Bhuvan was a fresher. He had no idea what cricket is, whereas Kabir Khan is a repeater because of the Team India captain. He knew. So his challenge is more of a different nature than the game itself. Whereas in case of Bhuvan, one, he had no idea about the game. Secondly, how do you organize a team and when people are so many different opinions, and that too against Angrez. So his problems were more complex. Kabir Khan, it was more of interpersonal skills and getting into the girls, into the team spirit and all those things. But ultimately his goal was very clear, begin with the end in mind. The end was not Team India jeetna. That was the means, that was the tariqa he used to get this final goal cleared. Final goal was मैं गद्दार नहीं हूँ. So again very clear. Now comes you are a potential SSB candidate और आपका भी बड़ा clear एक aim है. What is the aim? You want 2 stars on the shoulder. लेकिन आपको ये बात पता है 2 stars on the shoulder you will only get it when you reach the academy, whether it is IMA whether it's Hyderabad Academy, Air Force Academy, or Naval Academy. So they will give you the star. But before you get the star, you should be recommended by the SSB. So these are the people. So you have Mansa, Vacha, Karmana, who will test you through something, GTO, TAT, WAT and all that. And if they find you suitable, then they will recommend you. So if you get recommended and cleared by medical, then you'll go to the academy, and after training, after POP, you will get 2 stars on the shoulder. So you have a long journey like Kabir Khan and Bhuvan. The question is, do you understand between your present position, that is this present position, to the final destination? Let's take SSB. SSB में तो आपको SSB में क्या चाहिए? रिकमेंडेशन. इसका मतलब है लाइक भुवन एंड कबीर खान, each step that you take, it must lead you to your recommendation. So और आपको ये भी पता है कि they are looking for these 15 officer like qualities which are grouped under 4 factors. Factor 1 तुम्हारा IQ, Factor 2 तुम्हारा EQ, Factor 3 तुम्हारा leadership dynamics, and Factor 4 is the dynamic factors. So these are 15 officer like quality that they are looking for. Now the question is, do you have it in you or not? Now इसको आपको अगर accurately पता नहीं है, then we try to end up showing OLQ or sprinkling OLQ. That's not the approach. So आपको exactly पता होना चाहिए कि आपका present position से आपके final destination के बीच में, like Bhuvan and Kabir Khan, what are the magic challenges? और आपको पता है कि जब तक आप इन stages को cross नहीं करोगे, you will not reach your goal, which is your recommendation. और आपको पता है ये recommendation जो होता है SSB में, it is simply 3.6% as per the one of the commandant's information. So taking that to be true, इसका मतलब है इस यात्रा में only 3.6 people are reaching. That means कहीं ना कहीं somewhere either people are adopting a wrong process, or they are looking for shortcut to success. They want to reach the peak but they don't want to work. इसका मतलब है there are large deficiencies that are coming between your SSB performance and your preparation, and उस deficiency को जब तक हम भरेंगे नहीं, ये 3.6 से ऊपर नहीं जाएगा, because many people are going on a wrong tangent. So the question is, unless you identify your strengths and weaknesses, the strength will help you to overcome these obstacles and move on, and the weaknesses will block you. ये weakness आपको threat बन जाएगा, ये आपको जाने नहीं देगा. So strength and weakness के लिए you should know how to do strength, weaknesses, opportunity, threat. It's called SWOT analysis. You should know exactly what are your strength and weaknesses, because only then you will know कि whether ये यात्रा आप पूरी कर पाओगे या नहीं पाओगे. Many people are starting it, but only 3.6% people are reaching the destination of getting recommended. So कहीं ना कहीं there is a deficiency. So इसके लिए you should know lifeline analysis. मतलब आप अपने life को जब scan करोगे, then you will understand कि till today, from your date of birth to till today, how has you been your journey? Because based on what you have done so far, that's what you're going to repeat in the future also. Because आप suddenly, if you don't know swimming in life, how can you start swimming in SSB? So if you're underconfident in life, how can suddenly you start be confident in the SSB? That will not happen. So you must have a clear plan of action कि how do you intend doing this journey from your present position to the destination of getting recommended. और बहुत सारे लड़के बोलते सर मेरा SSB अभी 1 महीने के बाद है, मुझे कोई आइडिया ही नहीं है. इसका मतलब है you have set a goal but you have no idea how to cover it. And then you come to people like us who are involved in coaching, and हम आपको TAT, WAT ठीक कराते. Imagine TAT, WAT ठीक करने से आपकी यात्रा पूरी नहीं होगी, खुद को ठीक करने से यात्रा पूरी होगी. सो कहीं ना कहीं एफर्ट में अलाइनमेंट नहीं है. एंड आपको ये भी पता है कि SSB इज अ पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड सिलेक्शन, एंड पर्सनालिटी में 4 डायमेंशंस आर फिजिकल, इंटेलेक्चुअल, इमोशनल एंड द वैल्यू डायमेंशन. व्हेन यू वर्क ऑन दीज, देन देयर इज अ ग्रोथ. एंड आपको पता है कि रीजनिंग एबिलिटी को मदर ऑफ ऑल OLQ बोलते हैं, मदर ऑफ ऑल OLQs. So you must know what activities are you doing to improve your reasoning. Because आपने देखे होंगे पिछले मैंने जितने भी TAT के वीडियोस डाले हुए हैं, in all of them there is completely poor reasoning आ रहा है. And उस poor reasoning के साथ आप ही मुझे बताओ, why should the psychologist, GTO or the interviewing officer clear you when it is called the mother of all OLQs? So reasoning ability के लिए you should develop critical thinking. What is critical thinking? I'm already put it in the previous videos. Kindly go through that. And then next is effective intelligence. आपको पता है इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर एंड जीटीओ मैक्सिमम जिन लड़कों को बॉर्डर लाइन में लटका के छोड़ते हैं, दिस इज द प्लेस जीटीओ एंड इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर उनको दबोचते हैं। एंड साइकोलॉजिस्ट रीजनिंग पे साइकोलॉजिस्ट अटकाता है। मैक्सिमम पीपल जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट के साथ अटकते हैं बॉर्डर लाइन केस, दे आर कॉट फॉर रीजनिंग एबिलिटी। सो आपको इस रीजनिंग एबिलिटी को इंप्रूव करना पड़ेगा। उसी तरह से जीटीओ के पास इफेक्टिव इंटेलिजेंस एंड इंटरव्यूइंग ऑफिसर के पास भी इफेक्टिव। इसका मतलब क्या है, आपने एक गोल तो बना लिया लेकिन यू हैव नो आइडिया आपने इस पाथ को कैसे क्लियर करना है। मेनी पीपल डोंट इवन वांट टू स्टार्ट द जर्नी बट दे वांट टू रीच हियर। हाउ विल यू डू दैट? Next is, many people have problem in power of expression. Power of expression, unfortunately, SSB में English का requirement है, and it is logical that you improve it. Anyway, even if you don't want to join the army, power of expression, that is English communication skill, is the requirement today. Even China is today learning. So English is the international language today, whether you like it or not like it. It makes sense that a future potential officer improves it rather than asking questions से मेरा अंग्रेजी कमजोर है मैं कैसे इसको ठीक करूं। So power of expression के कारण बहुत सारे लड़के even if they have capability they cannot express in front of the SSB because they have very poor power of expression, connect, convey and convince. And creative thinking, effective intelligence is also called creative thinking or the problem solving skill. So this is problem identification, critical thinking and problem solving skills. Power of expression is ability to express your idea. So there has to be clarity in your idea as well as ability to communicate with clarity. And clarity outside will only come when there is clarity inside. Gangotri versus Ganga. The last is organizing ability. कहने को organizing ability in the SSB is called a highly trainable quality. But the point is, if it is highly trainable, why don't you train it before going for SSB? तो SML में when you come, self management leadership में, in fact वो पूरा ही organizing, इनर वर्ल्ड को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, इफ द टैगलाइन इज, एसएमएल का जो टैगलाइन इज, इफ यू कैन मैनेज द वर्ल्ड इनसाइड यू, यू कैन मैनेज द वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड यू। दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, इफ यू कैन मैनेज द वर्ल्ड इनसाइड यू, यू कैन मैनेज द वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड यू। सो डेवलप इट, इट इज highly trainable. As for SSB, organizing ability is highly trainable. If it is highly trainable, why don't you train it? Because if you can organize the world inside you, it becomes easy to manage the world outside you. So this path becomes easily आप इसको हैंडल कर सकते हो in terms of facing the challenges provided you know how to manage the world inside you. तो आपको पता है कि SSB में आज के डेट में the clearance rate is very very bad, whereas so many people are going. इसका मतलब fundamentally large number of people are taking the wrong route, wanting to reach here, but the approach they are taking, there is some fundamental flaw. The only 3.6 people were reaching. इसका मतलब क्या है, कहीं ना कहीं गलती तो हो रहा है। इसको समझने के लिए आपको ये पिक्चर देखो, इसमें नंबर 1 बंदा is kicking number 2. So when number 1 kicks number 2, what number 1 does become the cause, and what happens to number 2 becomes the effect. And what will be the effect? Number 2 will fall down. Now when number 2 falls down, this effect itself will become the cause for number 1 to fall down. कितना समझ में आ रहा है? So दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, number 1 creates a cause, that is he kicks number 2. This cause will produce an effect, and the effect is number 2 falls down. When number 2 falls down, this effect itself will become the cause for the subsequent effect. And what is the subsequent effect? Because this man falls, number 1 also will now fall. So why did number 1 fall? Not because he did something, simply because what he did created an effect. And what is the effect? Number 2 fell down. And that falling down of number 1, which got created because the number 1 kicked, falling down of number 2 that got created because number 1 kicked, that itself become the cause for the subsequent effect. What is the effect? This person falls down. In the same way, if you have understood, if number 1 is the candidate and number 2 is the SSB, number 1 is the candidate and number 2 is the SSB. So आप SSB को जिस तरीके से treat करते हो, that become the effect. And that effect itself become the cause for the subsequent effect. That's your non-recommendation. इसका मतलब क्या है? When you create wrong causes, the effects are wrong, and the wrong effect itself become the cause for the subsequent wrong effect, and that's your non-recommendation. So if you don't like the final effect, change the cause. That means आप अपने approach को ही change करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है, तो आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि आप SSB को दे क्या रहे हो, SSB को चाहिए क्या और आप दे क्या रहे हो. सो कहीं ना कहीं वॉट यूर गिविंग इज नॉट वॉट एस एस बी इज वॉन्टिंग, उसके बदले में आपको क्या मिलता है, नॉट वॉट यू वॉन्ट रिकमेंडेशन, बट वॉट यू गेट इज नॉन रिकमेंडेशन. सो दिस इज द होल साइक्लिक प्रोसेस. सो उसी तरीके से 3.6 people are only taking the right route to the goal. Rest 97% people are going behind comforting lies. भीड़ लगा रखी है because it is very very easy shortcut to success कि हमारे पास आ जाओ, हम आपको ऊपर पहुंचा देंगे. No one wants to work. No one is wanting to build themselves, but everybody is wanting to achieve the फाइनल आउटकम. इसका मतलब क्या है, आप पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट की जगह पर्सनालिटी मैनिपुलेटिव ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो. कोर क्वालिटी को हाइड करने से कैसे आप इस पहाड़ी को चढ़ जाओगे. अगर आपका पावर ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन कमजोर है तो कैसे चढ़ोगे. अगर आपका आत्मविश्वास कम है तो कैसे इस पहाड़ी को चढ़ पाओगे. अगर आपको अपने ऊपर डिसीजन के ऊपर काबिलियत नहीं है तो कैसे चढ़ोगे. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड SSB इज अ पर्सनालिटी बेस्ड सिलेक्शन, नॉट टूल्स को ठीक करने के जाने का. सो प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड दैट फंडामेंटल डिफरेंस. मैं बहुत बार इसको बता चुका हूँ. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है तो आपको वैसे कॉज क्रिएट करने पड़ेंगे जो कि SSB में जाके ऐसे इफेक्ट क्रिएट करेगा जो बदले में आपको रिकमेंडेशन देगा. सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ व्हाट यू गिविंग टू द SSB, ओनली देन यू विल गेट फ्रॉम द SSB व्हाट यू वांट. इस गिव एंड टेक रिलेशनशिप को समझे बिना आप इस पहाड़ी इस लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस को कवर नहीं कर पाओगे. बहुत ज़्यादा शॉर्टकट देखने की कोशिश करोगे, यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू रीच द पिनाकल. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ फिक्सिंग ए गोल of this loftier when you don't want to move outside your comfort zone. Unless you shift outside your comfort zone, you will not reach here. सोच के देखो, एक माउंटेनर क्या वो बैठे बैठे पहुंच सकता है? नहीं पहुंच सकता. सो फर्स्ट ऑब्स्टिकल में अटकना नहीं है, बी डिटरमाइंड टू क्रॉस इट. So if you don't do that, you will never be able to achieve it, and you will never come to the category of 3.6%. So one of the decisions, one of the capability that you must develop is the power to decide. Ki the cause that you're creating, is it the right cause so that you get the right effect in the SSB in terms of recommendation. So it is the ability to assess the quality of choices, the kind of choices that you make, like Bhuvan and Kabir Khan, whether those choices are taking you closer to the goal or away from the goal. That clarity has to be there. It is the ability to assess the quality of choices, the decisions and the action in yourself and others, because what you do in terms of your actions become the cause, and what the SSB do to you becomes the effect. So please take care of the cause effect relationship. What you want you will get, provided you give what the SSB wants. Only then the effort alignment will come. So आपको ये समझना पड़ेगा, SSB is a personality based selection, and the effort alignment में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको पर्सनालिटी को इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा, ना कि TAT WAT SRT. बात बार बार बोल चुका हूँ. और इसे अगर आपको ठीक करना है तो नेक्स्ट कॉम्पोजिट बैच जो है 4 वीक्स का, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 21 दिसंबर टू 16 जनवरी. एंड अगर 2 वीक्स कॉम्पोजिट बैच लेना है तो इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 21 दिसंबर टू 2 जनवरी 2021. Now, those of you wish to register, you can contact me at 8275577650. Composite batch में आपके पास 2 weeks का SML program होगा, which is almost 95% leadership and personality development program है. And आप उसके बाद में 2 weeks का SSB का orientation program है, which is DIPR, Director DIPR appreciated Air Force OP Armed Forces Officer Selection Orientation Program, which is simply 10%. Once your personality ka foundation is strong, it becomes easy to build. When without foundation, how do you build up your building? So समझ में आता है तो आप मुझे जरूर contact करना. 500% clarity का वादा है. To register, you have to WhatsApp me at 8275577650. WhatsApp करना, I'll send you details. Kindly share with your friends so that maximum people benefit. मुझे ज़रूर फीडबैक में बताना कि begin with the end in mind से क्या समझ में आया, और whatever is your feedback, उसके बेस पे हम इसको आगे build up करेंगे. Thank you and may God bless you. Thank you very much.